third class children, good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of addition of numbers. We learn in this chapter adding 3-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping, and adding 4-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping, and word problems, and estimation of the sum, estimated sum, that means rounding of the numbers to the nearest tens, rounding of the numbers to the nearest hundreds. Addition facts. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. When we add 1 to a number, we get the next number of the given number. When we add 2 or more numbers in any order, we get same total. That property is called commutative property of addition. Okay, first I am going to revise addition facts, then go to adding of 3-digit numbers, adding of 4-digit numbers, that is going to 2 lines addition, 3 lines addition. Okay, come on. See, first I give you some example blanks. You see and give me answer. 78 plus 0. What is the answer? Yes, here we are going to using addition facts. That means rules in the addition. Yes, same number. Next, 0 plus 127. What is the answer? Not 0. Same number. Very good. 0 plus 750. Tell me the total or sum. Yes, when we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. Very good. 0 plus 3427. Two-digit number or 3-digit numbers or 4-digit numbers, when we add with 0, we get the same number in the total. Okay, understood the concept? When we add a number to a 0 or 0 to a number, we get the same number. 78 plus 0, 78. 0 plus 127 equal to 127. 0 plus 750 equal to 750. 0 plus 3427 equal to 3427. That means when we add any number, that means 2-digit or 3-digit or 4-digit, the total goes to same number. This is going to adding 0 with a number. Can I go to next one? Addition of 1. Addition of 1. That means 1 plus 96. Write the total. 1 plus 275. 684 plus 1. 4050 plus 1. Or 1 plus 7846. Come on, using same concept. Adding 1 to a number, we get the next number of the given number. Next number means after number of the given number. See, here given number is 96. 96 plus 1 or 1 plus 96. What is the total? 97. Very good. 1 plus 275. Yes, 276. Very good. 684 plus 1. Yes, after number. 685. Very good. 4050 plus 1. Be careful here. Yes, 4051. Very good. 1 plus 7846. 7847. This is going to adding 1 to a number. 1 plus number goes to after number of the given number. That is going to 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit numbers. Adding 1 means we are are going to write the after number of the given number. Understood? Can I go to next one? Yes. We add two or more numbers in any order. We get the same total. First I am going to take one digit numbers. 5 plus 7 plus 3. 3 plus 7 plus 5. We are going to using same numbers. 5, 5, 7, 7, 3, 3. Here the numbers are changing their position, their order. Now what is the total? 5 plus 7 or this is easy. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Very good. Here also 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. That means 5 plus 7 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 7 plus 5 equal to the total goes to 15. That means this addition fact and this addition fact both are same. This property is called commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. What is this property? Commutative property. C-O-M-M-U-T-A-T-I-V-E. Commutative property of addition. In this property, we are going to add the given numbers in any order. That means left to right or right to left, up to down or down to up. We get the same total. Now I am going to take two digit simple numbers. See. 40 plus 50 equal to 50 plus 40. Then what is the total? Very easy. First adding numbers. 4 plus 5, 9. Put 0. 5 plus 4, 9. Put 0. That means 40 plus 50 equal to 90. 50 plus 40 also 90. That means 40 plus 50 equal to 50 plus 40. The total is same. This is called commutative property of addition. Next, addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. Without regrouping, with regrouping. Add or find the total or find the sum. 476 plus 310. Here the concept using adding 0, adding 1. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. Adding numbers start from 1's place. In any addition, we start addition from 1's place. That means start from right side onwards. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 3, take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. The total goes to 786. Number plus 0, same number. Number plus 1, next number. Another example. 305 plus 132 plus 241. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. Come on, start from 1's place. 5 plus 2, very good, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now adding 10's, 3 plus 4, take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Write in the 10's place. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. The total goes to 678. These two additions are adding 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, now I am going to show with regrouping, addition of with regrouping 3-digit numbers. 478 plus 370. Here also start from 1's place only. Yes or no? Come on, adding 1's. 8 plus 7. Take 8 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We get a 2-digit number. Right side and split the number. write ones place number and carry forward. We are going to, after adding the ones place number, we are going to doing carry forward. That is called, yes, with regrouping, carrying addition. 5 right here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Very good. 4 plus 3, take 4 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we regrouping from ones to tens. In the same way, tens to hundreds also there. Ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Can I show that example? Come on. 637 plus 285. Here also start from ones place. 7 plus 5, take 7 fingers, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, regrouping. 2 right here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, take 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind, take 8 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, regrouping. 2 right in the tens place, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. This is going to with regrouping ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Understood? Don't forget the adding of carry forward number. This is called carrying addition. Now 3 digit number, 3 lines. Are you understood the concept? Okay. 178 plus 405 plus 243. Same process. Yes, start from ones. 8 plus 5, take 8 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 13 after 14, 15, 16. Regrouping. 6 right here, 1 carry forward. Now adding tens. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Again regrouping. 2 right here, 1 carry forward. Now adding hundreds. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. Again take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 3 lines, 3 digit number with regrouping. Regrouping means after adding we get 2 digit number. Okay. Next adding 4 digit numbers. 4 digit means 4 places. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 4,564 plus 3,015. Start from 1. Same process. 4 plus 5. Yes, 9. 6 plus 1. Yes, number plus 1. Next number. 5 plus 0. Number plus 0. Same number. 4 plus 3. Take 4 fingers. 3 after 4. 5, 6, 7. This is 4 digit number. 2 lines. Yes, without regrouping. Another example. 2004 plus 3713 plus 1050. Start from ones. 4 plus 3. Yes, very good. Now 1 plus 5. Very good. Now 7. No need to add 0. 0 plus number, same number. Now 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 digit number, 3 lines without regrouping. Now I am going to show with regrouping. 5648 plus 2135. Adding ones. 8 plus 5. Take 8 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Regrouping. 3 right here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 4, 5. And take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Right in the tens place. Now adding hundreds. Number plus 1. Next number. That means 6 after 7. Now adding thousands. 5 plus 2. Take 5 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to regrouping ones to tens of 4-digit numbers. Understood? Next one. Come on children. 4-digit number. Yes. Regrouping ones to tens is over. Now ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Yes. Come on see. 2475 plus 3534. Adding ones. 5 plus 4, 9. Very good. 7 plus 3. Take 7 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Regrouping. 0 right here. 1 carry over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Again regrouping. Carry forward 1 to thousands place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. What is the total? 6009. Here regrouping from tens to hundreds, hundreds to thousands. Understood? Next example. 4-digit numbers, 3 lines. We are going to adding 4-digit number with 3-digit number and 2-digit number also comes. 3468 plus 1324 plus 583. See, 4-digit numbers and 3-digit number. This is also start from ones place. Start from here. Take 8 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. Regrouping. 5 right here. 1 carry over. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. 9 in the mind. Again take 8 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Again regrouping. 7 right here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again regrouping. 3 right here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Here no thousands place. Write 5 in the thousands place. This is going to addition of with regrouping 4-digit number and 3-digit number. Regrouping from ones to tens, tens to hundreds, hundreds to thousand. Next, in the today's class, we are going to continue the class same chapter, that is going to mental computation of sum of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. Heading is long, but solving of the problem is very easy. See, mental computation of sum of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. What do you mean by sum? Total. How do you get total? By addition. Mental computation means we are going to using adding the numbers with expanded form. Here we are going to using expanded form. Example sum. See, add 25 and 36. Here we are going to using expanded form of the given numbers. First number is 25. What is the expanded form of 25? Yes, 20 plus 5. What is the expanded form of 36? 30 plus 6. Now add these two. Plus ones. 5 plus 6, 11. Here 50. Here we get 50 plus 11. Again go to add. 50 plus expanded form of 11 equal 10 plus 1. Isn't it? Expanded form of 11 equal. The 40 is not sufficient. Right side. Here we get the sum 50 plus 11. Continuation. 50. The expanded form of 11 equal 10 plus 1. Now first adding 1. Tens. 50 plus 10. 5 plus 1 6. And put 0 plus 1. The total is 61. This is going to, this method is using for doing fast. Okay, this is one of the method doing addition. Actually we are going to follow normal method only. Okay, write the numbers horizontally or vertically, adding ones, adding tens, adding hundreds, adding thousands. This is going to mental computation of sum of 2 digit and 3 digit means here we are going to using expanded form. Okay, using expanded form of the numbers and then add. Another example with the 2 digit numbers. Here we are going to using, yes, write the expanded form the numbers and then add 48 and 56. Add 48 and 56. Solution means solve. First number is 48 plus second number is 56. First write the expanded form. Here we are going to using expanded form. 2 digit number means that number having 2 places, tens place and ones place. That means 48 means 40 plus 6 plus 56 means 40 plus 8. 56 means 50 plus 6. Isn't it? This is the expanded form of 48. This is the expanded form of 56. Now take tens. Here 40, here 50. 40 plus 50 plus, now add ones. 8 plus 6. Okay, continue that side. Here board you can't see, that's why for continuation 40 plus 50 goes to 90 plus 8 plus 6, yes, 14. Again go to write expanded form of 14. 90 plus 10 plus 4, isn't it? Now add 90 and 10. 9 plus 1, 10 and put 0. And ones are going to 4. The total goes to 104. This is going to addition of mental computation means we are going to using expanded form method. First writing expanded form, then adding tens, then adding ones, and again if you get 2 digit number in the ones place, again expand that number and add like this. Next one. This is one of the method. No need to practice none. Now I am going to take 3 digit numbers. Add 357 and I am going to start from here. Add. What you see? Okay. 357 and 124. What should you write first? Expanded form of the given numbers. 3 digit means the number having 3 places. What are those? Ones, tens, hundreds. Write expanded form of this number. 300 plus 50 plus 7. This is the expanded form of first number. Put the symbol for addition. Now write the expanded form of this number. 100 plus 20 plus 4. Start addition from first hundreds. Add hundreds. 300 plus 100. 300 plus 100. Plus now take tens. 50 plus 20. Next adding ones. 7 plus 4. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now 300 plus 10. I am going to write here now. Continuation. 300 plus 100 means 3 plus 1, 4 and put 2 zeros plus adding tens. 5 plus 2, 7 and put 1 0, 70. Now adding 1, 7 plus 4. Yes, tell me. 11. 11. You are not seeing the board. The board is not sufficient. Yes or no? Can I write here only? See, 400 plus 50 plus 20, 70 plus 7 plus 4, 11. Okay? 400 plus 70. Again here we get 2-digit number. Now going to expand that number. I am going to continue. 400 plus 70, 11 means 10 plus 1. We are adding 10 again. 400, 70 plus 10, 80 plus 1. The total goes to 481. The total goes to 481. But here no need to expand. If you are doing directly, no problem. 70 plus 11 equal to 81. 400 plus 81 goes to 481. This is going to, here we are going to using expanded form. First, look at the given numbers and write the expanded form of each number. And first adding hundreds, next adding tens, next adding ones. Here hundreds goes to 400, tens goes to 70, ones goes to 11. 400 plus 70, here you are going to write directly, no problem. 11, 70 plus 11 goes to 81. 400 plus 81, 481. Understood? Here addition of, yes, using expanded form. Okay? Next one, can I give you one more example? Come on, 3-digit numbers using expanded form. At 425 and 273. What should you write first? Take first two numbers. 425 plus 273. Here using expanded form. Expanded form of first number is 400 plus 20 plus 5. Now take second number. Expanded form of 273. 200 plus 70 plus 3. Now first we should take hundreds. 400 plus 200. Isn't it? Next take tens. 20 plus 70. Next take ones. 5 plus 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now adding 4 plus 2, 6 and put 0. Next tens. 2 plus 7, 9. Put 1 0. Next adding ones. 5 plus 3, 8. 600 plus 90 plus 8 equal to 698. We get the total. Okay. Now I am going to check this sum. Checking means normal addition. Generally, which we are going to using the method, that one. Write the numbers one below the other. 425 plus 273. Okay. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 7, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. Our answer is correct. Okay. Here using expanded form, we get 698. Expanded form of 425. Expanded form of 273. First adding hundreds. Next put together tens. Next put together ones. Here put together hundreds. Here put together tens. Put together ones. We get 698. Our method is wrong or correct. We are going to general normal method. Adding ones, adding tens, adding hundreds. We get the answer same. That means our answer is correct. Okay, Nana? Are you understood? Okay. This is going to mental computation of sum of 2-digit and 3-digit. One more example. 542 and 351 using expanded form method. Write expanded form of first number. First Arrange the addition. 542 plus 351. Write expanded form. 500 plus 40 plus 2 plus, this is the expanded form of first number. Now expanded form of second number. 350 plus 1. Understood? Now put together hundreds. 500, take hundreds only. 300. Now take tens. 40 plus 50. Now take ones. 2 plus 1. Now see, hundreds, tens, ones. Now add hundreds. 5 plus 3, 8. Put 2 zeros. Plus adding tens. 4 plus 5, 9. Put 1 zero. 90. 2 plus 1, 3. Now read 800 plus 90 plus 3 goes to 893. Now going to check. Checking. Our answer is correct or wrong. Our process is take two numbers. 542 plus 351. Write the given numbers vertically. Adding ones. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. Our process is correct. This is going to mental computation of sum of 2 digit and 3 digit numbers means here we are going to use the expanded form method. First writing expanded form of the given numbers, next adding hundreds, next put together tens, next put together ones. Adding hundreds, adding tens, adding ones, we get the total. This is checking. Okay, our answer is correct or wrong. Our process is correct. We first write the expanded form, the numbers, and then add. Understood the method? Okay, my dear children, thank you very much. We continue in the next class. Practice all types of additions and learn tables from 2 to 10. Okay, thank you. Bye.